Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will clear national income by value added method. Statement is given. We have to calculate value added by firm A or firm B. So first of all, firm A. Value addition. Value added by firm A is equal to value of output minus value of intermediate consumption. We know that value addition means GDP at MP. Value of output is not given. Rather, we know that sales plus change in stock is equal to value of output minus value of intermediate consumption, that is not given. Rather, purchase by firm A from firm B, that is given. Purchase by firm A from firm B. One another component of value of intermediate consumption is given, that is import of raw material minus import of raw material by firm A. That would also be a part of value of intermediate consumption. So by putting the value, sales by firm A, that is 300 plus change in stock that is not given. Rather, closing stock of firm A and opening stock of firm A is given. Closing stock 20 and opening stock of firm A, that is 5. So 300 plus 15, 315 will be the value of output minus purchase by firm A from firm B, that is 100, or import of raw material by firm A, that is 50. So this will be equivalent to is equal to 165 lakh rupees. So this is GDP at MP by firm A. Next we have to calculate value added by firm B. Next, firm B. Value addition is equal to value added is equal to value of output minus value of intermediate consumption same calculation as we have done for firm A. Value of output, sales plus change in stock minus value of intermediate consumption is not given. Rather, purchase by firm B from firm A. Purchase by firm B from firm A. Sales by firm B, that is 250 plus closing stock of firm B, that is 15, and opening stock of firm B, that is 10. 15 minus 10, that is 255 will be the value of output by firm B. We have to deduct purchase by firm B from firm A, which is 80. This would be equivalent to 175 lakh rupees. We have taken one thing that must be kept in mind. We have taken import, rather we are not taking exports by firm B. Import is a part of intermediate consumption, rather export will be a part of sales. If a single sale is given, sales by firm B, then further exports or firm B sales to XYZ, that would not be considered as sales of firm B. So the GDP by firm B, that is equivalent to GDP at MP by firm B, that is 175, and GDP at MP by firm A, that is 165 lakh rupees. So this was the second type of value addition method. Do subscribe my channel for more videos. related to value addition numericals. Thanks.